my son went to uni last year and he was like, Mama, I'm sure you'll get a puppy home now and all of that. And, I've been talking about it and everything. And then he comes back for his Christmas break and he's like, how come there's no puppy at home still? And I'm like, listen, I need a few years before I can get the puppy energy. I said, I have just got you, my puppy, out of home.
Yeah.
I don't want another puppy just now because it's like having a child again. And, you know. And my other thing was that Icy is turning 10. She has turned now. In fact, she'll turn 11 now. And I said, a puppy energy, then I need to give a lot more time. So I was telling him, I said, you know what, beta, I've just got some time for myself with you gone. I want to do a few things for that couple of years, enjoy my time with her, and then maybe think about it. But that's what it takes.
So I think that's the thing people don't realize. I think when you've had pets, you know the responsibility.
And especially the first, few months till they turn a year old or a year and a half.
I think till they are like 4.
That's the retrievers. They remain puppies for 4 to 5 years. They're pups.
Yeah. I mean, I just feel like, also, once you commit to that, it's hard to step away from it, right? Like, because you're not like kids kind of grow up and they don't need you anymore. Like dogs always need you.
Always need you.
Or, or like even Sammy, like she, it's her lunchtime. She'll come and start meowing and be like, hello, it's
kids
time.
Do exactly that.
And so I feel like with like pets, that never ends, right? So
because
I think
you can tell your son that, fine, I know, but
so
go
know that, okay,
this
is like at least like 10 to, 12 years of my life, at least I have made this commitment to look after this animal. So I think unless you're ready to do that, I would say stay.
If not more, actually, because if you've been a good parent,
I think fostering is actually great. So I advise a lot of people this, like a lot of people say, oh, I have only 2 months before I go to uni or I'm starting a job or whatever. I'm like, foster, it's great. You'll help the system. You'll also have like, and it's amazing. And you'll have this puppy for a couple of months till it gets adopted, which is great, But I still feel like it's a better option than a dog or cat being on the street. So I'd rather they are fostered and, adopted. So usually I think in most cases, I feel like people foster for a few weeks, so it's not that long,
right?
And then either it's a failed foster or they go get adopted elsewhere. So I think that kind of helps then. So I think that's a great option for people
because so many people who foster, a lot of people who must be fostering when they already have a pet at home. How does it affect the pet at home?
I think it depends from pet to pet. Like I think some take it pretty well and are okay with it and are habitual to. I think a lot of rescuers' pets, for example, they are used to seeing like
them coming and going.
Other animals come in and go. Some are not. So I think it depends. Do
they miss the puppy when they go?
I mean, I'm sure they would. I feel because you obviously like a human like forms a bond. I'm sure they do at some level as well too.